food today. This is Ginisang Patola sa Miswa, but I have no patola, I have no Miswa. So this is zucchini or calabacín and pancit bihon with pork. And this one is pancit, but this one is different pancit. So this one is Korean kind of pancit. So there is no soy sauce in it. And I have rice, of course, not so much because these are all carbo already. So I'm waiting for Amigo Chinito. I like pancit so much, but this one I hope. My beloved, try this one. This is zucchini, the calabacín, and it's Filipino, but try first.
What meat is this?
It's sopa. That is the pork.
Which pork?
The pork you bought yesterday, yes. Like it?
What?
And try this one later. I love it. It's sweet, no? Hi, hungry. So I didn't even say hi. Hi to everyone. Thanks for always watching our videos and always supporting us. And vamos, let's mukbang.
Mukbang.
Say mukbang.
Mukbang.
Mukbang, pancit mukbang.
Pancit mukbang. See what was in there before?
Hi, Jorge Cano. We miss you.
Hi, cabrilla. I think it is.
Baby love. Have secret to me now?
No.
I hope you can try my Asian cookings. But you are very far away. Yesterday I cooked different. Amigo Chinito like it so much.
For sure, Tanya will like that.
Yes. Next time. Guys, second set. So now, pancit. This is different pancit from Tagalog or Asian pancit. So, Asian pancit. Wow. Very good, my baby. Guys, pancit. Hey?
Like the Japanese. I should eat more of 5 kilograms.
You should buy two.
I'm not going to
Good taste. So guys, this is our dessert. Because you saw the ice cream, now you don't want to eat anymore? My goodness. Ice cream, guys. So dessert time.
like the cream of.
Guys, this is the crema Catalan. And for him is, what is that?
Trufa.
Trufa? Trufa.
You don't like the
Which one?
cappuccino?
Ayoko. I like it, but they They added chocolate. Mm. We have more here. I have, oh my god, I have three now. I think we can buy here in Consumo.
Well, not all the same.
Yeah?
Not all are the same. Not all of them taste the same.
I love this. Mm? Okay, one more.
This.
I thought I'm good. Where? In Paris? Guys, this is really good. This is my favorite ice cream. For you, that one? There is one ice cream that I love so much also. That is red velvet ice cream in Madrid. Remember, baby?
Do you remember how to write that?
Of course. But I don't remember now exactly. But we were 5. We would go on that area and then we would find. I think it's Principe Vergara, no? Principe Vergara.
I don't know.
Near to the restaurant of Ivy.
Tidy is not open,
I don't think so. I
but
don't.
they have delivery before. When we went there, they had takeaway.
Feel the transfer. Guys, if you are looking for dogs, a very beautiful dogs or puppies, I have a cousin that is selling puppies, the breed puppies. I saw them on Facebook. I will give you the Facebook if maybe you want something to see because that adorable dog. So that's it, guys, for today, and thank you so much for watching, and keep on watching and supporting our channel. This is your Amiga Chinita and
Amiga conejo.
your Amiga?
Amigo conejo.
Amigo Conejo. I thought you are bakla now. Are you bakla?
No.